National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, eastern Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, southern Garfield County in northern Oklahoma, southeastern Major County in northwestern Oklahoma, until 1:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:59 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles north of Loyal, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Enid, Hennessy, Wacomas, Drummond, Loyal, Vance Air Force Base, Bison, and Lacey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.